Hello, this is George Senda, the official, real, one and only, authentic, original guy, the guy from Pittsburgh. Not guy from Pittsburgh, the guy from Pittsburgh. And accept no substitutes, accept no imposters on YouTube, and do not send any money to the imposters' P.O. Box in Missouri. The only P.O. Box for George Senda is in California, in Martinez. All right. Here we have something from General Pet Supply again, and this is the same one I got earlier. This is a flyer for lots of pets, and I'll look at that when I get a chance. And this is the other collar. So I have one now for Cleo in a previous video, and this is going to be the one for Caesar, and this is the BioSpot Active Care Flea Collar. Kills fleas, flea eggs, and adult ticks, larvae, and nymphos. Well, they're indoor cats, so I doubt if they're going to have ticks, but you never know. All right, you can send donations to George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553, or gift cards or packages. You can also send me donations at my PayPal account at falky2013@gmail.com. My Amazon wish list will be posted, as will my Cafe Press store. So this has been another episode of Burgh Unboxing, and this is George Senda, the real and one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night, a great afternoon, a great evening, and stay warm, wet, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. And I wonder when it officially becomes night. I guess sundown. So technically it's early evening or late afternoon. I don't know which it is. It's 5:17, but that clock is off. Let me look at my calendar. It's 5:24 p.m. in California, and it is warm here. Bye-bye for now, and on to another Burgh Unboxing.